see, vanilla, type of vanilla. Also, I'm doing some green banana porridge, coconut cream, yes, right? And I put vanilla in there already, nutmeg, allspice, right? You can see the allspice, right? Yes, nutmeg, yes, right? I already put it in there. This is the way Aunty Clair do his green banana porridge. Look at it. Look at it. Strengthened porridge. Tonic. This is tonic. Green banana. I grate her. I don't blend. I grate her from scratch and put it on. Boiling it. Bubbling away. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to touch the notice button